guys, Eric Kyle here, publisher of Great Lakes Scuttlebutt magazine, and I'm excited to be down at the Cobo Hall Detroit Boat Show, right here in one of my favorite towns, Detroit, Michigan. Hey, so while I'm here, I'm kind of wandering around. I'm looking for some fun and exciting news to report to you guys on, and I'm actually here with my friends over at Clair Yacht Sales. Jay Cooper, how are you, brother?
Good, great.
Always a pleasure to see you. Mike with Desmond Marine, how are you, my man?
Good, thanks. How are you?
Good, 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 good. You guys got something special going on over there at Desmond Marine. Tell us a little bit about it, Jay.
Well, Mike probably be the best to tell you about Desmond.
Okay.
Well, yeah, going on Desmond Marine is, we're really promoting the heated boat storage.
Yep.
In the past 3 years, we've put up 2 new buildings, heated buildings.
Really?
So we're really expanding there. And a few years back as well, we brought in Jay Cooper with Clair Yacht Sales to kind of, fill in what we're trying to do with everything, having boat sales there, a mechanic, upholstery, just kind of bringing everybody in that we can to really promote the boating in Port Huron. So,
well, pretty much anything you want to do with regard to boating, whether it's boat sales through Jay or storage or service, dockage, you got it all handled right there in the one location.
Absolutely. Again, about 9 years ago now, we took over the River Street Marina, which is a city marina.
Yeah.
So Desmond Marine privately manages that.
Okay.
So it works out well, having slips in the water. We have our rack and launch at Desmond, our storage at Desmond, boat sales with Clair Yacht Sales. So like you say, we really do have it all going on right there.
And Jay, you've been around for a very long time here in the Detroit market. Fantastic broker. A lot of people know you. What's it like now being up in the Port Huron area?
Whole different market. Yeah, with the blue water, you got Lake Huron right there.
Yeah.
And it's a different boating market.
Yeah. So, are you doing any new boat sales? Are you doing brokerage sales? How does that work for you?
Just brokerage right now.
Okay.
We've expanded. We got a marine supply store up there.
Oh,
We're
nice.
the only marine supply store up there, so that helps out a lot. And we do have repair up there, and so if you have fiberglass repair, mechanics or anything like that, so we have all that kind of stuff.
Now, do you specialize mainly in power boats, sailboats, or dabble a little bit in both?
Both. Yeah,
Okay.
We got a powerboat and sailboat.
There's a great sailing community up there in the Port Huron area, from what I understand.
But there's a certain amount of people that like sailboating there.
Oh yeah, very much so. Myself included. So tell me a little bit, Mike. Why do I want to go to Port Huron? What's nice about that area that makes me want to go there?
Obviously, the biggest factor is the convenience right into Lake Huron. Just minutes away from that. With what's going on in Port Huron, it's starting to come back. We have so many great restaurants to choose from.
Yeah.
The shopping downtown is coming back. We have a great movie theater downtown. There's just so many options now, Eric, to bring a family to Port Huron and keep everyone busy. Where in the past it may have been just stopping in Port Huron and get fuel and go.
Yeah.
Where now we're getting them to come for the weekend, which is awesome.
Very cool. So Jay, if I was interested in a brokerage boat and to check out some of your listings, where am I going to go online to see more about the brokerage boats that you have available?
Easiest site is DetroitBoat.com.
Oh, nice.
Go right there, and we got a full list of inventory. Got the pictures, specs, everything you need.
Perfect. So if you're looking for a boat, make sure that you go by DetroitBoat.com. Jay will definitely take care of you.
Okay.
And Mike, if we wanted to find out more about Desmond Marine, where am I going to go for that?
Simple as that. DesmondMarine.com.
Nice.
All the heated storage rates are on there. All rack and launch rates, all the rates are online as well. So
very good, my man. I appreciate it so much.
Thanks, Eric.
Mike,
All right.
Jay,
Good to see you.
Thank you guys so much. Guys, make sure you go by BoatDetroit.com or DetroitBoat.com.
DetroitBoat.com.
DetroitBoat.com. Check out my man Jay. He'll be able to help you out. Or DesmondMarine.com. Mike will be able to help you out with a beautiful location up in Port Huron, Michigan, Desmond Marine. Thanks so much for joining us today, guys. We'll see you out on the water.